Hi everyone, it's Sandy here. I just want to welcome all of my new subscribers here to my channel, and I also would like to say thank you to my subscribers that have been following me here for a little while now, and I do hope you all enjoy my videos. I have here another project that I have made, and it's a flip book, and I made this flip book and all the inserts, the pockets, tags and envelopes all using the envelope punch board. So the flip book here measures 4 inches by 4 inches. So I'm going to just give you a look through my flip book here that I've made. It's another fun project. So I made this bow with the punch board, and then I just laid the front here with a cut apart from one of my 12 by 12 paper that says "Hey there friend." And this is just an altered paper clip that I have used to just keep the flip book closed. And this banner here is one of the banners that I had made using the punch board. So that's one piece there that I've made. So when you open it up, even the flip book is punched out with the punch board as well. So these envelopes here are cute little tiny envelopes. I think they measured 1 3/4 by 1 1/4 inch, and you can get 6 of these envelopes with 1 6 by 6 paper. I have a tutorial for you in one of my other videos, and it shows you how you can make these cute little mini envelopes. So I've just added some washi to hold the envelopes closed, and I have added a few little pieces in here as well. These are just a bit of trim that I've put inside the pocket. So I've just put that in there, and it just closes that up with the washi, and there's some more goodies in here as well. I won't take it out, but oh, there we go. These are just some little word sentiments. So I'll put that in there. So you can make this whole flip book and all the inserts all with the punch board, and then it's ready for you to just embellish, and then you can send this out to as happy mail. So it's another fun little project. This here is a pocket. I've made one of these pockets as well in another tutorial, and I will put all the links down below if you're interested in making any of these projects. And in here is a washi sample on a card spool that I have made, and this is another easy one to make as well. So that goes in there. This banner here is also made with the punch board, and then you open it up over here, and there is another pocket, and in here a mini file tab note card that you can just write on the back if you wish, and there is also a small tag in there as well. So these were all made with the punch board, and I've made the pocket, which is this one here. I have made a video on how you can make these. So this pocket is actually like a full pocket. So what I've done with the file, with the flip book, instead of doing them 2 pockets, I've just used 1/2 and stuck it here, and then the back half I stuck it to the back there, because it doesn't need a back, because the flip book itself has already got a backing to it. So that created 2 little pockets there. So that's that. And then over here are a couple of cute little bottles, and they were made with a punch board as well. I have a tutorial on how you can make this cute little small one, and yeah, so that was another fun cute little project. And these are banners that were also made with a punch board, and that was also made when I made the altered paper clip as well. And I think that's it. Yes, I just wanted to show you that you can make all of these inserts and to lay out your flip book with the punch board, and the bow is also made with that as well. So I have a tutorial of that as well. So I'm just going to show you quickly how you can make the flip book base with the punch board, because all the other layouts I have tutorials of them already. So to make the base of the flip book, all you need is a paper or cardstock that you need to cut out at 4 inches by 12 inches, and then you're going to score it at 4 inches and 8 inches. And what you want to do is on your right side here, you just want to cut about 1/8 of an inch off, or even not even a 1/8, just a slight, just a little bit. So I mean, like, I've even just cut about that much. That's all you need. It's just that when you close your flip book, it'll be easy to close. And then what we'll do here is on your score, you've got a score line, or your first score line, we're going to slide that under your envelope punch board, and you're going to line that score line in the middle of that silver notch where we make the punch. So just center your score line there, and then we're going to press that down, and then slide it over and do the same with the other score line, and just place that in the middle of the silver part where we punch, and press down, and then we'll flip that over and just repeat that the same, and just placing it in the middle of the where the score line is and punch, and then do the same with the other score line. So that's your part of the flip book done, and then we're going to go along here on this end, and we're going to slide that back into the punch board, and on the edge of the paper we're going to line that up to line it with that green part here on the end there. So we're just going to line that there and press down, and flip that over and do the same to the other side, and you'll get that look. And we're going to flip this over and just do the same with the other end of the flip book, just by punching that down, and then one more. Okay, so that is all your punching done with the punch board. And then with this part here, we're just going to fold that over like that. And that's the reason why we had to cut that little piece off. That way this part here will be able to close over it, on top of it. And that creates the base of your flip book, just like I've done with this one. So that was just another little easy project that you can make. And that's all there is to it. And then just layer it with your pockets and envelopes and tags and whatever it is that you wish to put in there. So I just want to share that with you, that you can make a flip book with everything with the envelope punch board. So that was a fun project, and I did share with you on another video these wood picks with some flag banners on them. I just wanted to share them with you again because I made a few more, and I just thought that was so much fun to make. So here's one of them, and they were just the same banners that were in the flip book, and I've just put them on one of these wood picks and then embellished it. And this is the one that I had shown you in a previous video. These were so much fun to make, and these are great to gift as well in your Happy Mail, or you can add into your loaded pockets. So I just wanted to share them with you. So I do hope you enjoyed this quick little project share and tutorial, and please give it a go, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.